Homes don't sell because they're listed. They sell because sellers are committed. Let me show you why testing the market actually works against you and what serious sellers do differently. I'm Tom Arnold, simple selling realtor and Air Force veteran. My creed is simple. Sellers should always feel like they're being taken care of, never surprised, and communicated with so they know what's coming next. Every now and then I get a seller that says, Tom, I'm going to put my home on the market, but I really don't have to sell it. I'm going to set it at this price. And if I don't get this price, I'm probably going to take it off the market. Now, I know I should probably get what my neighbor got down the street, maybe a little more. My answer always is, if you're not ready to sell your home, why are you putting it on the market? Just testing the market is never a good idea. And you're comparing your home to your neighbors down the street. He may have more upgrades than you. He may have a pool and you don't. He may have sold his home 9 months ago, and the market changes all the time. Here's another thing to consider. If you just put your home on the market for a couple of months and don't get the price you want, and then you take it off, I'm going to ask you to reimburse me for the marketing I've done. I'm also going to ask you to reimburse me for that sign I put out front. And I'm going to ask you to reimburse me for those inspections that I did. So you could be out $500 or $600 just testing the market. The first 2 weeks are the most critical when you put your home on the market. This is when you're going to get the most looks and maybe when you're going to get an offer. If you price your home too high just testing the market, you probably won't get an offer and you may not even get any looks. Buyers know about your home. They have a lot of information. They can go on Zillow and look up your home and see how much you paid for it. They can see what your taxes are. And if you price your home too high, buyers are going to know it and they're not going to come around. So if you're serious about selling your home, contact me. Let's get you into the simple selling system. Let's don't just test the market. Let's get your home sold.